Okay, rational root theorem. Basically, it's just a way to find the roots instead of the normal ways we do it. But here's the thing is, a lot of these are not quadratics. So you would have to do find the roots another way besides factoring because, sometimes they're just not factorable. So the first thing you do is you write. And this table, do you have to make this table? No, you could do it another way, but I think the table is a good visual. So first you write out all the factors of this last number. And it doesn't matter, negative or positive, doesn't matter. So we got 1 times 24. We got 2 times 12. We got 3 times 8. And we got 4 times 6. Those are all the factors of 24. Now the factors of this first number, 1, easy, 1. But sometimes that number might not be 1, so you'd have to write out all the factors here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take each of these left numbers and divide them by this right number. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. Now that could be plus or minus 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2, and again, plus or minus 2. 3 divided by 1 is 3, plus or minus 3. 4 divided by 1, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 8, plus or minus 12. These big ones, usually they don't really come in handy, but we're going to write them anyway. So just because that first number is 1, that's why this column is the same as this column, okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to pick one of these values, okay? And you're going to do synthetic division to see if you get something that works, right? You get 0 as a remainder, okay? So this part is just guess and check, okay? So for example, if I pick 2, okay, because 2's right here, if I do synthetic division with 2, will that work? I'm usually pretty good at guessing, and I'm being completely honest with you that I'm guessing right now. I do not know if this works. So I have 1, 2, 5, and this does not look like it's going to work because I'm going to get 0. So that doesn't help me at all. So you're just going to keep doing synthetic division until you find the one that works. So to save us some time, I'm going to do this right now and see which one works. And I'll come back and make a second video.